In this training unit, we'll be taking a look at the pneumatic Uneo cordless rotary hammers from Bosch. The Uneo and Uneo Maxx are compact, powerful 3-in-1 tools with a pneumatic hammer mechanism for screw driving, drilling, and hammer drilling. The Uneos pack a punch, especially with their compact design and powerful pneumatic hammer mechanism. Even in the hardest concrete, where an impact drill would no longer produce satisfactory work, the Uneo unleashes its strength and drills dowel holes of up to 10 mm in diameter without significant exertion. The Uneo has a 2-speed gearbox to cover the optimum range of speed and torque. In screwdriving mode, the Uneo is automatically set to the first speed setting in order to attain a high level of torque during screwdriving applications. In the drilling and hammer drilling modes, the Uneo is automatically set to the second speed setting for a high speed and impact rate. With the Uneo and the Uneo Maxx, all SDS quick and hexagonal hex shanks can be used without having to change the drill chuck. This facilitates intuitive operation and allows you to change accessories in just 3 seconds. The SDS quick and hexagonal hex shank can also be used with all 3 jaw chucks and with conventional impact drills as well. The adapter chuck for both Uneos also permits the use of conventional straight shank drill bits for standard drilling in wood and metal, making the Uneos even more versatile in their range of applications. The adapter can only be used with the drilling and screwdriving functions. The integrated LED power light is extremely helpful when working in darker areas. The rechargeable batteries make it possible to use the tools for a virtually unlimited period and are compatible with the rest of the tools in the Power for All ranges. The Uneos are fitted with a Cineon chip to guarantee a long working capacity, as well as the proven ECP system to protect the battery from overloading, overheating, and deep discharge. This guarantees countless operating hours and a long service life. The Uneo has a battery status indicator, which shows when the battery is full or less than 30% charged and needs charging. By contrast, the Uneo Maxx has a battery status indicator which shows when the battery status is full to 66%, 66% to 33%, and 33% to charging required. The Uneos are distinguished by their diverse range of applications, with the Uneo Maxx's larger battery capacity making it ideally suited for longer tasks and faster work. And now, have fun with the pneumatic Uneo cordless rotary hammers from Bosch.